You applied to 50 jobs, maybe 100, and your phone never rang, not one call. And now you are wondering if your degree was even worth it. Stop right there. The problem is not you. The problem is the door you keep knocking on. Today I will show you the 5 doors that are actually opening for freshers in 2026. Pick the right one and your whole game changes. I am MVK. I have spent more than 25 years in IT and SAP, from my first job as a fresher all the way to the CTO level. I have sat on both sides of the interview table. I know who gets hired and I know exactly why people get rejected. So there is no hype in this video, only the truth. Let us start with that truth. The number of computer science graduates has grown by about 40%, but entry-level coding jobs have dropped by about 65%. Think about that for a second. More people than ever are fighting for fewer seats than ever. That is why your 100 applications went nowhere. But here is what nobody tells you. The demand did not die. It moved. If you pick the right path, there are still doors wide open for freshers. Let me show you exactly where they are. Door number 1 is cloud. Every company is moving to the cloud, and every one of them needs people to run it. Here is your entry plan. Get one associate level certification, AWS or Azure, and build 2 small projects that you can actually show in an interview. That is enough to open roles like cloud support engineer or associate cloud engineer. For most freshers, this is the friendliest entry point in tech right now, and it grows into very strong senior roles later. Door number 2 is data and analytics. Companies are drowning in data and starving for people who can read it. Your entry plan here has 3 pieces. Learn SQL properly, add Python and pick one BI tool, Power BI or Tableau. With those 3 skills, you can walk into a data analyst role. And the best part is that data skills travel with you into every industry. Banking, retail, healthcare, logistics, everywhere. Door number 3 is cybersecurity. This field has something almost no other field can offer: nearly zero unemployment. Companies simply cannot find enough security people. Start with the Security Plus certification and aim for a SOC analyst position. That is the standard entry point. You will be watching alerts, investigating incidents, and learning fast. The demand here is only going one way, and that is up. Door number 4 is enterprise software, and I mean SAP. This is my own world for 25 years, so trust me on this one. Pick one functional module, learn it deeply, and build your awareness of S/4HANA. In India, and especially here in the Gulf, SAP demand is strong, stable, and it pays well. And here is the beautiful part: most freshers never even consider this door, which is exactly why it stays open. And door number 5 is AI adjacent roles. Notice that I did not say AI engineer. Real AI roles need deep fundamentals in mathematics and computer science, and there is no shortcut to that. But here is the smart play for a fresher. Combine AI and machine learning basics with cloud or with data, or take any domain you know and become the person who uses AI tools better than anyone around you. That combination is exactly what companies are hiring for right now. Now, before you pick your door, let me give you the one thing that matters more than the path itself. Here is a number that should wake you up. Among freshers who complete an internship, around 65% receive a job offer. Among those who skip it, only around 30% do. That is more than double the chances. So take internships seriously, even short ones, even unpaid ones if you can afford it. And 2 more things. Learn to use AI tools well and work on your communication every single day. These 2 skills will put you in the top 10% of any path you choose. And remember this: 2 or 3 real projects are worth more than 10 certificates. Recruiters want proof that you can do the work, not proof that you can pass exams. So let us recap the 5 doors: cloud, data and analytics, cybersecurity, SAP and AI adjacent roles. Do not try to open all 5 at once, that is how you stay stuck. Pick one door and go 90 days deep. One focused door beats 10 half open doors every single time. And here is a question for you. Out of all the SAP modules, which one pays the highest salary? The answer will surprise you, and I will break it down module by module in the next video. So subscribe and turn on the bell so you do not miss it. If this video helped you, give it a like and tell me in the comments which of these 5 doors you are choosing. I read every comment. See you in the next one.